The world is askew, my love. Not just at this moment, and not just suddenly. It always has been. This is how it was created. Stunningly beautiful, yet surprisingly grating when we live inside it. There are itchy mosquito bites on your body, even while you're on the trek of a lifetime. Mountains to your right, the ocean to your left. The best coffee you've ever had still burns your tongue. There is deep love to be found here, but never without discord. Arguments, eye rolls, loss. Certainly, never without loss. The what-ifs, the what could have beens, the if-onlys, they are poison darts, constantly flying toward your heart. You may dodge some, but others will land. The world is askew, off balance. Even in the best of moments, something is always wrong. Someone you love is too far away. A memory sits heavy on your chest and refuses to move. A quiet fear waits in the shadows, threatening to swallow you whole. But the dunya, I know, was created to be exactly this. Exactly this. A testimony to the beauty of Allah's creation, and at the same time, a reminder that no matter how much joy exists here, it will always be incomplete, tilted, inhospitable even, a prison for the one who knows what freedom could feel like. This land was crafted flawlessly for the Amanah it was meant to carry, to test us, to stretch us, to remind us that permanence does not belong here. Not yet, not here. You are not alone in this unease, my love. None of us are. So take what you can of kindness, of warmth, of fleeting joy, and then bear the rest. Be patient, just a little longer. Only a little more remains.